I've come to have a go on the Great Orme Tramway in Llandudno. It's the only cabled hauled tramway in Britain. There is a similar system in San Francisco. This particular tramway was opened in July 1902. The tram runs from Victoria Station in Church Walks and goes to the top of the Great Orme. You stop halfway to change trams. The trams are open-sided double buggy passenger tram cars, and they're each 37 foot long and they seat 48 people. Each tram car is named after a saint. The journey to the top of the Orme roughly takes about 25 minutes, and you travel about a mile. Once you reach the top of the Great Orme, you'll be able to see spectacular views over North Wales. You'll be able to look back onto Llandudno Bay, across towards the town of Conway, and over towards Anglesey and Puffin Island. On a really clear day, you can actually see the Isle of Man. It was at the turn of the century a local group of businessmen got together with the idea of constructing this railway to the top of the Great Orme. At that time, Llandudno was becoming one of the top resorts in Great Britain. I've really enjoyed this ride today. Plenty of fresh air and great views, and a very, very, very slow ride to the top, but it's been really worth it.